to my YouTube channel. So this what you're seeing is my items or tools that I'll be using to make my soap. I've decided to make my own soap. Yes, I'll be making my own soap, and these are the things that I got. I got this cocoa butter from Amazon. I hope it will be good for my skin. And then I got this shea butter also. I got it from Amazon. It's really nice and it doesn't smell that so good, but it's okay. And I got this it's like a notebook. I'll be using this for my soap making, for anything that I'll be making in this kitchen. So I bought this just to note down everything, the measurements and what I decide to make. And then I got this blue color. I actually like blue color, so I'll be using this blue color in my soap. In my first soap, I'll be using a blue color. And then I got a measuring cup. Yes, I'll be using this to measure the oils and the items. Actually, there are some items that are still missing, but these are the ones that are available right now. Then I got some gloves also. I will be needing gloves. And then I bought this stirring hand machine. I understand this is not the one that I should be using. There's another bigger one, but since I'm starting and I'm not making too much soap, I'm only making soap for myself, so I'll be using this one, this kitchen stirring. And then I got this for mixing the soap, and then I got this one also to help me in melting the oils. I got also coconut oil. Yeah, coconut oil is really good for the skin, so I'll be using also coconut oil in my soap. And then I got this essential oils from Amazon also. They're from Amazon. Yeah, and they really smell so good for sure. Even if you open just like the way I've opened them like this, they smell so good. And then I got a weighing scale from Amazon. Yeah, it's really nice. It's not heavy, and I like it. Like, see, it's really cute. Yes, and then lastly, I have this mold. I bought this mold from a shop, and I've been using the ruler and the tape to measure the depth of the mold, the width and the length for the mold, because I understand when you're making soap you have to know the quantity of oil, of quantity of the sodium hydroxide. So those are the things that so far so good I have for my soap making. I'll be taking you on a journey with me on how I'll be making my soap. So kindly subscribe and and let us see how it will be. Thank you.